This is the Holly and Foliage 3D embossing folder from Spellbinders. I love that their embossing folders are so large. They're 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches, so you can really pick and choose what size you want your project to be, as opposed to being limited by the size of your embossing folder. I have a 6 big shot, so I do have to shim it to get the stacking right, but I love the detail that you get in their 3D embossing folders. I'm trying out some of the new distress mica stains on top of the folder. I'm creating a card, and this is going to be part of the background. So I've got some of the different colors. I'm spraying them on there, and then I'm just misting it with water to help those blend and bleed, and they're going to go all over that embossed area. I'm concentrating on the outside because I have an image going on the inside. Once that is completely dry, I am taking another color of the mica stain and I'm just coloring those berries to bring them out. I love the way the mica stains bring out so much more of the detail of that embossing folder. It's absolutely stunning.